Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve the Xbox app with the error message 0x80071128 that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, and the error message reads, "Something unexpected happened. Reporting this problem will help us understand it better. You can wait a bit and try again or restart your device. That may help with the error code 0x80071128. And some several reasons for these errors are including corrupted system files, system cache data, and unstable internet connections. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to repair Microsoft Store and the Xbox app. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to select on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung app, so click mo lang yan. At dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-tap tong installed apps. And then dito sa installed apps at dito sa search apps, so type mo lang dito yung Xbox. And then automatic mga kaibigan, makikita mo yung tatlong apps na Xbox dito. So ang next step ay kailangan natin itong i-repair lahat. So dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So click mo lang yan. And then itap mo lang dito yung advanced option. And dito sa advanced option settings, and then scroll down. And dito lang sa reset ay kailangan mo lang itap dito yung repair. So click mo lang yan. And wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. And then once na-complete na yung repair process, and then same, back ulit tayo dito sa installed apps. And dito sa search for apps, so tap mo ulit dito yung Xbox. And then yung next, so same dito lang sa right side, i-click mo lang yung tatlong dot. And then itap mo lang dito yung advanced option. And then scroll down. At dito lang sa reset, ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung repair. And wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. And then next step, so after ulit dito sa repair process, so same dito sa apps, installed apps. And search app, type mo lang dito yung Xbox. And then yung last, so same dito sa right side, i-click mo yung tatlong dot. And then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung advanced option. And then next step is scroll down. And then dito sa reset, ay kailangan mo lang itap dito yung repair. And wait natin ma-complete yung repair process. Ayan. And repair process complete, and hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to update the relevant drivers. So kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to right click on the start menu. And select mo lang dito yung device manager. And once na-open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung display adapters. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then dito sa ating graphics drivers ay kailangan natin itong i-update. So select and right click. And then itap mo lang dito yung update driver. And may dalawang option dito na pwede natin i-select na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. So select ka lang dito sa dalawa, and then itap mo lang tong search automatically and wait natin. And then the best drivers for your device are already installed. So after dito sa device manager, and the next method na pwede natin gawin is to run the FFC tool. So dito lang ulit sa search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click. And select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na tong administrator command prompt, and then kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na FFC space /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verifications phase of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin ulit na hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD and dito lang sa start menu. And then kailangan mo lang mag-restart, so click on this restart. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Xbox app with the error code 0x80071128 and Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.